Alright guys, this is my Photoshop project, and pretty much what I did, I pretty much just followed the video for the most part. I had a little bit of trouble. For example, I had some issues selecting Tommy, first of all, because he has a lot of hair, some wild locks, and especially like right up here. I think you can see a little bit that I missed right there. But that was one of my main issues, was actually selecting Tommy. And another one of my issues was finding colors that were good enough to contrast well on each other. And I ended up going, this is actually my main, this is what I started with. I actually ended up going with red and yellow, orange yellow, because it looked better, it contrasted well on each other, and it translated better in the other images. So pretty much what I did was I made Tommy, cut him out. I did the posterize, the effect, duplicated him a few times, and he looks very nice now. I think the colors, the dark background and the bright colors look especially well on each other. I was pretty proud of that. That's pretty much it.